hirap. How? Guys, di ako marunong magpasok. Why is it 2? I only ordered 1. Gift certificate. Okay. Actually, I ordered silver, but it's black, but it's okay. So I bought this from Shopee for around 341 pesos. And I decided to buy this because the motorcycle is small and ang tahaw niya sa mata. So I feel like I need extra security na hindi basta-basta mananakaw yung motorcycle ko. The alarm's pretty big kasing laki halos ng kamay ko and bigat siya. So this is the tool na kasama to remove the screws para mabuksan siya, para ma-replace mo yung battery if ever malubat mo siya. One screw done. Two more holes there. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, ang sikip niya. Okay. Ta-da! 4. There. So this alarm is pretty heavy. So, ayan. If you, there, narinig nyo, bakal talaga siya. So, saan yung battery? So, lift this one up. And this one. Okay, you can see. There. Ganito. So, there are a total of 6 batteries. So, I'm not sure what those batteries are called. And ito, this is what you'll see inside yung alarm. Yan. Yan yung slot for the batteries rather. And then, you should hear a click whenever you close it. So, ayan. Kita mo yung wires and everything. So, I think you really have to keep it shut kasi baka basukan siya ng tubig. Okay, so when you return it, this was the spring part. So, ito. Insert 3. Other side. So this is the, what is this? So now let's close it up. Yan, click, and then have to put it back. So it's not that hard naman to put it back. Sure, it's tightly sealed. There you go, and then just put it all back. Medyo nakakatamad lang siya to unscrew and screw it all back. So guys, mas madali to, hindi yung isa ang ginagawa ko kanina. And the other one, back. One, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's try to put this on. Okay. Medyo, it's not that easy. Tansya din. OMG. Ang hirap. How? Guys, di ako marunong magpasok. There. Okay, so pag napasok mo na siya, may beep. Lock. 1, 2, 3. 3 beats. So let's try to test if the alarm will work. So, okay, let's move the motorcycle. So far, no. Movement doesn't cause it to alarm. Yan. So, when it hits the swing arm, dun lang siya mag-alarm. Tapos magbi-beep lang siya. Parang warning, siguro. And then, wala ulit. So, ba't kaya hindi siya ganun mag-alarm? Yan. Pag talagang nag-hit siya dun sa may swing arm. Okay. So, it's kind of hard to elicit yung full-blown alarm niya. Kasi, parang, I think kailangan niya ng malakas na vibration. Pero siya beep lang eh. Yan. So, if you want yung talagang, yun, pag malakas, tsaka siya nag-alarm. But if not, hindi malakas yung movement. Kahit na, sige, backwards. Yan. Whenever it hits the swing arm, dun lang siya nagagawa ng sound. Yan. So let's see how this alarm will work when the engine is on. Yan. So this is good. Mas responsive naman yung alarm pag naka-on yung engine. So siguro nga napipick up niya talaga yung vibration that's coming from the motorcycle. Okay, but if someone tries to steal the motorcycle na naka-off yung engine, hindi responsive yung alarm. So paano na? Now for the pros and the cons. So let's start with the pros, and the first one is it's affordable. It's only 341 pesos. And for that price, it's very well made. Heavy duty yung material, bakal siya, pure bakal. So alam mong hindi cheapy pa yung binili mo. Another thing is it has a loud alarm. So if gusto mong mag-skandaloso yung motor mo pag merong nagnanakaw, this one has your back. Maririnig talaga siya. Lastly, it has different color options. Merong silver, red, blue, green, black, and yellow. Now for the cons, the first one is that it's battery operated. So if humihina na yung battery and then doon sumakto na biglang merong magtatangkang magnakaw or something happens with your motorcycle, it's not gonna ring anymore. Hindi na siya mag-alarm. So I don't know, maybe dapat merong battery indicator ng level ng battery so that you're aware kung kailan mo siya i-change. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan ka matsyempohan and baka lobat na yung battery ng alarm mo. And lastly, it needs significant vibration to elicit an alarm. So as you saw a while ago, kailangan naka-on yung engine ng motorcycle para siya talagang mag-alarm. Kung hindi, nagbi-beep lang siya only if tumama yung alarm dun sa swing arm. And siguro if you want ng more sensitive yung alarm ng motorcycle nyo, I don't think this would be good. But if yung ayaw nyo rin naman ng sobrang skandaloso, then I think this would be a good buy for you. So guys, that is it. Let me know your thoughts about this alarm, and I will see you again on the next video. Bye!